Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my new Nama J2 cold press juicer and I am ecstatic. I learned about this juicer from one of my besties because she's the one that was actually obsessed with this juicer. And so I just started doing my research because I'm like, okay, I need to get back into my health kick and I figured juicing would be a really great way to start. So it comes in this really cute box. It's fairly big, but I love the graphic apple detail on it. It's really cute and it's giving you're gonna be healthy and you're gonna lose all the weight in the world. When you first open it up, you're gonna see a warm welcome from Nama and then all the mini boxes that the package contains. So starting with the first box, it's the chamber set plus the quick start guide. So there's a manual, there's a book of recipes, there's a lot of good stuff inside of the actual start guide package. But as you can see, the chamber set is put together. It has the compartment for the food and then the grinder, actually the machine that's going to cold press the fruit. I do want to give you guys what the price point on the juicer is. It is retailing for $550 USD. I paid altogether $588 after taxes, and that's Florida taxes. I didn't pay any shipping for it to be shipped early. It did regular standard shipping, so there was no fee for the regular standard shipping. It did take a little bit longer. I can say that there is a 15-year warranty on this juicer, so that was a big, confident booster in getting this, that there's a warranty that's that long, so you know that this brand really stands behind their juicer. So if anything happens within 15 years, you can hit them up and let them know and they'll fix it. But it saves so much time at the end of the day because you really can just put everything in there and go and do whatever and come back and have some perfectly made juice. I mean, blended so well. And all of the juice is squeezed out of the fruits and the vegetables, and you'll see. I'm taking it apart so you guys can see how the inside of the juicer is. The actual motor, luckily in this case, it's not metal, so you're not gonna cut yourself. They made it so that it's super safe when cleaning, when putting it together. I did see when you do actually turn on the chamber, you will see like the little knife part or the metal blade actually that will come out while it's juicing, but it's never going to be when you're actually like maneuvering it and putting it together and taking it apart. The initial strainer is the standard strainer. It also does come with a smoothie strainer. There is a sorbet strainer, but that is an addition and you have to order that separately. It's $50 and I think I'm going to get that later because I would love to make some sorbet. So this is your base. I have mine in white. You can also get it in black, but I love the white color and I just love the overall modern look of the juicer when it's put together. It was super simple to just take the chamber and place it on top of the base and then you can start juicing. Okay guys, so I am super excited to get started juicing for the first time with my Nama J2 juicer. One of the things that really sold me on this juicer is the fact that it has such a wide open mouth to put everything in there so it can hold a lot more at one time. But it was super easy to put together. You guys seen you had the base and then you had the chamber and then you had here. So my ingredients for today, I probably should add a couple more things, but this is what I want to do today. We're gonna do a strawberry. We're gonna do strawberry, blueberries, 2 oranges, a grapefruit, cucumber, spinach, and celery. I feel like I should add a ginger to that, but we can do that with ginger shots because I have shot glasses for the ginger. But let's go ahead. It says, and I have to think, I feel like I have to keep this with me all the time so I can remember how it goes, the direct order that they say. But it says you got to start from the bottom, leafy, then soft, which would be your lemons, your oranges, your grapefruit. Medium would be your cucumbers, your celery, and then hard would be your carrots and your beets. I have all those, so I'll probably be juicing all week, but this is what we're gonna start with today. So they said leafy first. We're gonna put in our spinach. I didn't use a lot of spinach. I should have. Put everything together. I rinsed off everything before I started. And let's see. Okay, I have my glasses prepped. So we are going to start. The nozzle has a on and it has a reversal, I guess, to go back. I'm not sure. I have to kind of read the manual to kind of see what the difference between, what the reverse stands for, but I'm thinking that's going to go backwards. But let's turn it on. Let's see. So the idea of the juicer is that once you turn it on, you can go do what you want to do and live your life. Let's also check out the pulp. Look at that. I want to see how dry it is. But you can definitely tell this, like, you got a lot. You got a lot. So that's what the pulp looks like from everything that we did today. And then let's also check out how much juice. I know we got a lot of juice. I think we got at least 32 ounces of juice. But yeah, this is all the juice. I have my glass. I want to check out my recipe. Again, it was strawberries, blueberries, grapefruit, 2 oranges, celery, spinach, and a ginger. And a cucumber. I added the ginger last. I was like, oh, I have some ginger. So I like to drink my juices. I like my juices to be cold. So I have some ice. Let's check this out. Definitely good. Definitely the grapefruit does overpower a little bit. So you get the bitterness from the grapefruit, but I love grapefruit, so it doesn't matter. But this is delicious. And I do feel the warmness of the ginger, so I love this. This is my first juice with my Nama juicer. It was excellent. I am so excited to have this juicer in my life on a regular basis. I'm going to be doing a lot of different shots, power shots in the morning, and just regular juices. So price point is pretty pricey, but I think that it's worth the bang for your buck. Just because it gets a lot of the juice out of the fruits and the vegetables, and it's quiet too. Like, I juiced it, I had to go use the bathroom, do a couple things, come back, and it was done. Boom, not loud at all. Just like a regular, like your dishwasher going off, like a medium quiet dishwasher going off. I'm excited about it. So definitely recommend this. And if you have any questions about how I bought it, I'll put the website, I'll put everything in the link below. But anything else, just let me know in my comments, or you can hit me up in my email. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.